Hey beautiful people, so it is week 24 for me, and I know I'm supposed to make a video for y'all for week 24, but I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I got a horrible leg cramp in my leg. I just been so busy today, but I wanted to still come on and show you guys the different changes I've been going through, still show you my belly. So it's gonna be a quick video, quick run through. This is week 24. Maybe I'll come back. I'll make a better video week 25, let me not lie. I'll make another video for week 25, but this is my belly today. Pull my clothes down some, huh? Yeah, so today is 25 weeks today. And this is one of the dresses that I bought that I showed you guys. I think I bought that last week, right? Yeah, so here's the baby room. It's coming along, y'all. I had bought the baby, I had switched out the baby bed I was going to get for the baby, but this is what I decided to get. And honestly, you guys, I co-sleep with my kids. Like, I co-sleep. I have 4 kids already. I co-sleep. I don't want to hear y'all opinion if y'all got something bad to say about it, but this is what I'll put the baby in basically when I don't want to co-sleep with the baby. I know that's bad because when I want the baby out the bed, the baby ain't going to want to get out the bed, but yeah. This is the baby bed, and this is where the baby bed is going to be. Let me actually flip the... I don't know why. I know one of my kids had this. But this is where we're at. I had them newborn diapers for my kids so that they can learn how to do diapers. But yeah, y'all seen this already. This is my room. And then that's the baby bed. And my daughter put it together for me. I was in the tub relaxing, and they put some of them diapers, of newborn diapers in there, but I only use Love diapers, so I'm gonna have to switch them out with them, the newborn diapers. And again, my ball that I'm honestly not even on. Like, I'm really on that ball, to be honest. I'm not on that ball, but I wanted to definitely come on and just talk to you guys. And I want to let you guys know that this week it's been different. I had like some type of cramp in my back. I don't know what it was. I don't know if the baby was like in a certain place. I don't know. But I just know it was really wild to the point where I couldn't sit there for a long... I couldn't I had to lay on the floor I can't even say what I was going to say, the position, because it won't sound right, y'all. On all fours. I had to sit up on all fours just so the baby can get repositioned. I don't know what was going on with the baby, but yeah. And yesterday I actually put some braids in my hair, and this is my first time doing it for myself, but I am still so proud of myself because I'm like, okay, I don't have to do my hair for a while. So I did this, and my daughter actually helped me, my 12-year-old. I didn't do anything. I didn't put my edges down or anything, but I will do that. So I took my time and did my hair. My hair seems like it's extra dry right now. I know I bleached it to get my blonde, but it's extra dry. And hopefully this will last 2 to 3 a month, hopefully, right? It'll last for a while. I don't know about y'all, where y'all at right now in terms of y'all pregnancy, but with me right now, 24 weeks, I don't want to do my hair. I don't want to. And what else is a new update? Oh, I can't... We just came in a house, and I tried to, let me show you. I tried to take my shoe off like this. I don't even want to do it too high. Ooh. And them Charlie horses is coming through. So I am getting leg cramps right now, you guys. So if you guys are getting leg cramps, take it easy. Definitely take it easy, but still get your workout in. Y'all know I started working out last week. I told y'all I was working out last week. I did not workout Friday, but I took my daughter to the mall and got her some pants, and I figured that was a workout. I was supposed to walk 15 minutes as my workout. I was supposed to work out today for 20 minutes. I didn't do it, but I'm gonna really make sure I do it tomorrow, Wednesday, and Friday. I'll tell y'all if I really do it. I don't know. I know I need to work out for sure. And today we went to get some food, and we went to get some food today, and we went to Culver's. I think I need to slow down on my eating because Babe said he didn't want any, but when we got there, I was like, oh, give me the burger and give me, she's like, 1 or 2 patties. He was like, 1. I was like, no, two for me. He looked at me like, I don't think you should get two patties. I don't know. But maybe my eating has, you know, picked up some. For sure it's picked up some. But I don't know, you guys. I'm just relaxing today. Going to take it easy. And I hope everybody, you know, I'm at 24 weeks right now. I hope you guys are taking it easy too. Baby Kicks has been out of this world. Definitely, he's been kicking a lot more and a lot harder now. And I can dig my finger in my belly button. I don't know if you guys should do that or not, but I was digging my finger in my belly button and I can start like, okay, that's your back, that's your elbow, that's your foot. I can start feeling different parts. But when Babe do that, he like, I ain't doing it no more. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. And Babe call is my boyfriend. Y'all remember my pillow. I'm definitely sleeping with my pillow every day still. I'm still sleeping with my pillow every day. My body pillow. But I'm back in my room. I slept in my room for 2 days. I told y'all last video I wasn't sleeping in my room. I need a new environment. I don't know. And that's why I was sleeping in the guest bedroom. Me and Baby going to sleep in the guest bedroom. But for the last 2 days, I've been back in my room. So hopefully I'll stick for a while. Who knows? But what else can I update you guys on? Oh, I know I got to do the glucose test to check for diabetes. I don't have to do that. So when I go do that, I'm going to make sure I record. And I didn't get my ultrasound where I was supposed to get the measurements for the baby. So I'm going to definitely record that. I already got a certain ultrasound where I paid for it. And maybe I should upload that onto YouTube for you guys to see see the baby. But I was disappointed when they said it was a boy. So I was just like, man, you know what? I shouldn't upload this. I sent it to my mom and somebody else, but yeah, maybe I'll upload that on YouTube. But this week's purchase was the baby's bed. Y'all know I purchase something every week. So the baby bed was this week. Next week, I don't know. I'll think about getting a baby like a little rocker. So maybe I'll get the baby a rocker and a rocker and like the essentials, like, you know, the thermometer and, you know, the kit, the little $30 kit with the thermometer, the suction cup, you know, all that stuff for the baby. Maybe I'll get that for next Monday too, our next 25 week checkup. I'm not sure how many days I'm at right now. I think I'm at like 110 days left. Who knows? But I really think that I'm measuring a week off. I don't know. When I say a week off, I think the baby is going to come a week later, because this whole time, the first time I even got an ultrasound, they had me a week early. And I'm like, no, it's a week later. But yeah, I don't know. I know that I am excited to be closer, and I can feel like I'm getting closer. And I do feel like, I don't know, every week like, you guys definitely, if you're buying things for your baby, go step by step. Buy one thing at a time. It's going to keep you excited. And you guys are going to just, you know, gradually get things, and it's going to just be exciting instead of just getting everything at once. That's what I usually do. I just get everything at once, but it's more exciting getting one thing at a time. But if you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. And if you guys, most likely you're watching this because you're pregnant, maybe not watching it when I first posted, but you're going to find it. Let me know how far along you are. But I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.